Hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. When my mom and dad were older, I mean 90 years old and older, I used to go over to their house in the morning to kind of help with breakfast. And dad would come out to the kitchen and mom would sit there. She could kind of see us working in the kitchen. And dad would show me, he said, now for mom's coffee, kind of take this creamer and then put a little bit of coffee in it to get that cream warmed up a little bit before you put it in the coffee. Now, I think he mentioned something about he didn't want it to curdle or something. I don't even know if that's true, if that's would happen as far as the creamer. But it was nice that this was a little thing that he thought would make the coffee better for mom. And she noticed this, she really appreciated it. There is an actor, a comedian named Richard Kind, I think is his name. He was talking about he was on a movie set once, and when there was a break, they were in the trailer, a couple actors, and Richard mentioned that he liked the pen that this one actor was using. It said, looked sharp, it was heavy, it felt good in the hand. Anyway, they were talking, and so the whole movie goes for a few months. It's over with. A few weeks later, a box arrives at Richard Kind's house. It is a pen that he mentioned that he liked that that guy had. He had arranged to buy another pen just like that to give to him. He remembered it. It was something very personal that meant a lot to him, just like the thing with my mom with the creamer. The reason I mention this is there anything that we can do to show our cleaning people, our cleaners and our managers, how much we value them? I'll just throw that out. I mean, is there anything that we can be insightfully learn that would be a meaningful way that they wouldn't forget and would really show them how much we value them? Something to kind of think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.